In India, today we have almost 600 million farmers, but everywhere they lose 70% of their crops to disease they can't identify. This is one of the major problems of the farmers of not only India but of the global farmers. This is because the lack of technological advancement in the agriculture field. To solve this problem, I present you Krishi Sahayak, a AI-powered co-pilot for farmers. We have many features like AI plant disease scanner. Just take a photo of the disease on the plant and upload it. The Google Gemini powered AI will analyze the disease and provide the solution accordingly. Second, smart weather intelligence. This provides 3 days forecast with the farming advice according to the GPS location of the farmer. It can tell whether to spray or not spray the pesticides so that it can save the money of the farmer. Third, live market intelligence. It uses the real government data from the AG Market API, which tells the real-time prices of the crops to the farmers in their local market. Fourth, digital crop passports. It is a blockchain verified certificates provided to the farmers for their crops from the birth of the crop to the harvest. So let me show you the live application. Here is the onboarding of our application. So let me first log in. The farmers can easily log in with their Google account. When the farmer logs in for the first time, he has to enter his all details about his location and his name, and all about the crop he sows. So here is the dashboard of our application. You can see the live market prices in all the nearby markets of all the crops. So let me show you the first feature, that is the AI powered plant scanner. So let me just upload here the diseased plant image, and let me upload this image. Let this again. It's uploaded successfully. Now click on analyze plant. The Google Gemini powered AI will analyze the plant and give the solutions accordingly. You can see here it is the AI powered response. The Google API has analyzed the image and told us about the problem and also provided the solutions of the problem. And from here you can talk with the Google AI and ask about the solutions. मुझे इसके बारे में बताओ. Let me try again. मुझे इसके बारे में बताओ.
आपके गेहूं के पौधों में खरा इल्ली लगने से फसल को नुकसान हो रहा है. तुरंत नीम के तेल के घोल 5% का छिड़काव करें या कीटनाशक.
You can see here the response from the AI. Now let me the smart weather intelligence feature. Let me open it. First you have to give the current location access to this. It is verified the current location. Now you can see the weather for current location. So the smart point here is that it provides all the weather informations and give the advice accordingly. So it can tell you when to sow the seeds and when to spray the pesticides or not, which can save very much time and money of the farmer. Now let me introduce the third feature, that is market feature. So here's the market intelligence feature. You can see here the prices of the crops per quintal in the nearby markets of the farmers. So the things which make this intelligent is this: the AI-powered market analysis, which provides the real-time market predictions powered by the Grok API. You can see here our intelligence analysis is ready. This can tell when to sell and when to hold the crops. So let's take example of onion here. It is saying that the price of onion is going to decrease in some days, so you can sell this. Hence, this feature reflects as one of the most useful features for the farmers. Now let me show you the passport feature. Digital crop passport. It acts as a digital passport or certificates for the crops of the farmers. It contains all the data about the crops from the date it's sown to the date it's harvested. The farmers can easily print the label and paste it on the crop, so it is helpful for the consumer to identify when about the crop and the farmer. Let me show you by creating one passport. Select the date, say today, and harvest from, let's say, next month. Area of the field, say XYZ. Now click on create new passport. This passport has every passport has unique token ID and it is stored on the Monad chain. You can see here our created passport. Now let me verify it on Monad chain. You can see it is verified with this ID. Now let me show its certificate. It is downloading. It's downloaded now. You can see here it contains all the data about the crops. Now let me show you our next community features. It is like the Reddit for the farmers, where farmers can discuss their problems and the other farmers can reply and give the solution about that. Now next feature is about the resource feature. From here the farmers can analyze by the AI that how much seeds and water and fertilizers are needed for the field. Now let me choose, let's say this, and data growth. The Grok AI is analyzing it and provided here the necessary requirements to the farmers. Now next feature is the satellite feature, where the farmer can give their coordinates from the location and get the data from the satellites about their crops and about their fields accordingly. We have is the yield feature, where farmers can predict the yield of their crops. Let's say IS64 and let's say farming area 5. Let's choose the one date, let's say 20 August. Farming practices, let's choose this. The Grok powered AI has analyzed it and predicted our yield. So now the last feature we have is the seeds calculator, where the farmer can choose their crops and choose the variety of the seeds and say 6 acres, and it's about casting and calculate seed requirement. You can see here the Grok powered API has calculated the seed requirement. From here in the dashboard section, the farmer can change the whole language of the app in their native language. This supports 5 native languages of India. Now, Krishi Sahayak isn't just an app, it is a hope for not only the 600 million farmers of India but also for the global farmers. This is not just a technology, this is a digital India in action. This is the future of farming. This is Krishi Sahayak. Thank you.